Welcome back to Car Cultural, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we've got something truly exciting, the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the Land Cruiser legacy, you'll want to stick around for this one. After a brief hiatus in the US market, the Toyota Land Cruiser is back in a big way, reimagined for 2025. The latest model isn't just about power and durability, it's also a perfect mix of luxury, innovation, and a nod to the rich history of the Land Cruiser series. The exterior design of the 2025 Land Cruiser is a perfect balance of ruggedness and refinement. Toyota's design team has incorporated a more modern look, with sharper lines and a more aggressive front grille, while keeping the signature boxy frame that Land Cruiser enthusiasts know and love. It's bigger, bolder, and ready for adventure. Step inside, and the Land Cruiser continues to impress. The 2025 model comes with an updated, spacious interior that offers a premium feel with high-quality materials, a user-friendly tech interface, and plenty of space for up to 8 passengers. The center console features a sleek, large touchscreen with Toyota's latest multimedia system, which is intuitive and responsive. Whether you're off-roading or cruising on the highway, you'll be surrounded by luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers an impressive 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and the iconic 4-wheel drive system that's perfect for tackling tough terrains. Whether you're venturing into the mountains or crossing the desert, the Land Cruiser has the strength to handle it all. Speaking of off-road capabilities, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Land Cruiser with a suite of advanced features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential. This makes the 2025 Land Cruiser one of the most capable off-road vehicles on the market today. Now, let's talk about the price tag. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is expected to start at around $85,000 for the base trim, with higher-end models pushing the price upwards of $100,000. It's a bit of an investment, but for those who want luxury, durability, and off-road prowess all in one vehicle, it's hard to beat. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser marks the return of an iconic nameplate with a fresh twist. Whether you're looking for a family SUV that offers premium comfort or an off-road powerhouse, the new Land Cruiser has it all. So, what do you think of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser? Is it on your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car news and reviews from Car Cultural. Until next time, keep driving in style.